Really trying to just, you know, think about what I need, what items are necessary, and what I want to get. So with that being said, I got another little haul for you guys, and there's probably another one on the way. The first thing I'm going to start off with is the Supreme Nudes Artist Couture palette. I have this on my eyes today, and you guys will see this tutorial because I filmed it. I just don't know if it's going to happen before or after this video. And it is a beautiful palette. It's basic, but it's basic in a good way. You have a nice mix of neutrals, cool tones, and warm tones. It is user-friendly, great quality, very pigmented, super smooth, easy to blend, great packaging. I have nothing bad to say about this palette. The other thing I got was this Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. And I bought this before I got my hair cut, and I'm glad I did because my hair is starting to look a little dry again. I need to continue to cut it. The other thing is Briogeo is actually a Black owned company, which I love because, as I mentioned to you guys before, I am trying to be more aware of where my products are coming. Of course, right now I would love to support any Black owned brand. So I absolutely love this brand. I have talked to you guys about their shampoos. I'm still using them, love them. It's a great formula. Check them out. All right, guys, I picked up a backup of my Glow Screen SPF 40 by Supergoop and the matte screen because once it starts getting hot, mama gets a little oily. So I wanted to make sure I had that. And I did get a sample of it in one of my orders, and I love it. It's so good. If you guys are wanting something that adds a little bit of moisture to your skin but helps regulate any oil or deposit more hydration into your skin and protect you, check out Supergoop because they are fantastic. I also picked up a Supergoop Play SPF 50 body mist. I really like these body mists better than the actual like sunscreen lotion that you have to apply with your hand. I like that this you just spray on your body. It gives you a nice even coat. I don't like to deal with like the mess of, you know, especially if you're out like at a beach or something, you're like applying sunscreen, then you have sand. I just hate the whole process. So I love that. I picked up some more of the Sephora collection tape. If you are a makeup artist or if you are somebody that really wants to perfect a very sharp, crisp eye look, you definitely want to try this. I know that some people use regular tape, and in the past I tried to use regular tape, and I even like tried removing some of the adhesive at the back of my hand. But what I find is that if you apply it to your hand and then apply it to your eye, it doesn't stick as well. And then if you just apply directly to your skin without removing any of the adhesive, it's too strong and it actually can be a little painful to remove the tape. So I find that this is very effective. I love that it has split tape so that you can use one side of the tape for one eye and then use the other one when you're ready to do the second eye. It's fantastic. I have two of the Tower 28 Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm. I have Golden Hour, which is the shade I have on my cheek today. It is a beautiful orange shade, and let me show you guys. I'm just gonna rip the packaging because I don't need it. This is what the shade looks like. It's so beautiful. It looks a little dull on camera, but it is just a really beautiful bright orange. And I love Tower 28 packaging. I think they did a beautiful job with giving you something that's sleek and compact. And then the second shade I have is Happy Hour, which is just a really pretty pink. These are the shades that I like to wear on my cachetes. Love this product. I'm not finding that it's sticky. I'm not finding that it moves. They wear really well. They're absolutely stunning. So I highly recommend them. I have 3 of the Patrick Ta lip pencils, and these are from his Monochrome Moment collection that came out a while ago. I have She's Bold. And again, the packaging is very standard for him. It's just the rose gold. So I'm gonna chuck the packaging and show you guys the product. She's Bold. This kind of reminds me of Pat McGrath Contour. So if you're a fan of that, I think you'll really love this. She's Humble. I was gonna say it's what I have on my lips, but I don't. I took it off. I had on a nude lip. She's Humble. This kind of reminds me of Kim KW by Charlotte Tilbury, and then She's Proud. Such a beautiful shade of nude. Love them. Super creamy, long wearing. I love the shape of the pencil, and I have to say it's just a really beautiful product. All right, guys, I also picked up 3 of his lip creams. I have She's Independent, which I think is a darkest shade. And let me show you guys what that looks like. There it is. It's a beautiful pinky brown shade. Again, my kind of nude. Then I have She's Confident. Maybe this is the darkest one. Yeah. She's Confident. And the last shade I got is She's Secure. All of these are up my alley. Like, they're that pinky brown shade, and I love, love, love this formula. It's fantastic. It's very pigmented. It's thick in consistency, but it dries down. It really is fantastic. I picked up Spliff by Melt Cosmetics, and this one's actually going to be for my kit. And then I picked up 2 of the Fenty blushes, so now I have 4. I got Crush on Cupid, which is a beautiful, vivid fuchsia pink. I haven't played with this yet. This one I've played with. This one is Rose Latte, which is a really pretty rose nude shade. I got Fussy, a backup of Fussy, and Sweet Mouth. I actually put this on the other day because I hadn't played with it, but just to show you guys what they look like for your own comparison purposes. This is Fussy and this is Sweet Mouth. So as you guys can see, it is slightly different. I think Fussy is hands down my favorite shade, and it's just because it deposits just a little bit of pink to the lip. This one doesn't deposit any color, but it does give you a really high shine finish. And the final thing I got is I bought a second face shaping brush. This is the brush that they created for their cream products, and I really love that brush. I have used it every single time I use a cream product. This is the brush I'm using, so I wanted to get a second one because I use the other one so much that I have to constantly clean it. So I love this brush. Highly recommend it if you love cream products. I have a video up where I show you guys the new Patrick Ta collection. I picked up 3 of his lipsticks, 2 liners, and 2 of the blush sets. So if you guys want to see that, it's up on my channel, and that basically completes my haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below letting me know what product you're loving right now. I'd like to hear what some of your favorites are, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.